Well, it looks like the old man's not home, and you know what that means. A bucket of free coal. With the cold weather coming, I'm really going to need this. Receiving gifts is always fun, even if I have to buy it myself. Naturally, I have to try them out. That was wonderful. You know, it's a crooked cut, but that's my fault. But it's a very clean cut. This is a much finer cut than you could get with any circular saw. I need to go down and visit my Amish cousins. Looking for the perfect log takes a little bit of time. Saw marks from this bandsaw are almost identical to those left by the early sash mills. These beautiful 6x6s are for the spring house. Of course, it's not all fun and good times. I have to do a lot of tool maintenance over the next few weeks. Before I really get into cleaning up my old tools, I need to clean up this mess behind me. Holy hell. I won't be sorting this out today. I have a lot of draw knife work to do over the next few weeks also. Let's see what we can do with this. That edge is pretty well beaten up. I should go ahead and clean all the inside up. I've got a job for this in the next couple of weeks. We'll see how she does. It was a lot of fun hauling these nice looking white oak timbers around. Kind of like hanging out with a bunch of beautiful women, I guess. But all good things must come to an end. Yeah, this is in pretty bad shape. Better do what we can. It's not perfect, but much better than it was. It'll be doing a lot of work over the next few days.